figured I'd start doing little updates of my German and Irish studies for this, like leading up to the summer, because there's a chance that I might be I'm going to Germany this summer, and like for 2 weeks, and I'm going to be speaking nur Deutsch, hoffentlich, and then I might actually be going straight to Ireland. So yeah, it's just really exciting. I'm gonna be applying for this scholarship that is in my county that basically sends a student every year, a teenager, to go and learn, who's like of Irish descent, to go learn the language. And I've been trying to learn the language for a very long time, so this is actually a really exciting prospect. I know one of my other friends is also gonna try to do it, and I don't know, because of my situation, I'd literally have to go from Germany to Ireland. I wouldn't be able to go back to the States in between, so I don't know if they'll even let me do it, or if they'll just like avoid my application because I can't do exactly the program how they want. Like I wouldn't be able to go from whatever airport they want me to go from, because I'd have to time travel to do that, because it takes a lot more time to travel to the United States from Germany and then back to Europe to Ireland than it is to just go straight from Germany to Ireland. And it's cheaper too, so they wouldn't have to give me as much of a scholarship. So it's 2019. It's January 25th, I think. I've submitted the application for the Gaeltacht scholarship thing. I really don't think I'm going to get in because of the whole conflict with my German trip.
Your girl's going to Ireland. I'm from Germany, from the German trip. I'm going straight to Ireland for 3 weeks to the Gaeltacht in Donegal to learn Irish. I don't know how to feel, because in some ways I was thinking I'd be relieved if I didn't get it, because it'd be so much hassle, but at the same time, I could finish off this summer trilingual. I don't know how to feel. I haven't told anyone yet. I just read the letter. They have a weekend program that I'd go to in 2 weeks. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's bright. I don't know how to feel, because I know I should be happy, and I am. I'm very, very excited and very happy about this opportunity, but it's gonna be such a hassle. Because I don't know how, we're gonna work things out so that I can go from
Germany to Ireland, which obviously it's easier to get from Germany to Ireland, you think, right, than from America to Ireland, but I'm gonna have to figure that out, or me and my mom and my German teacher, rather than just having it all set up for me. And then also, I'm gonna lose one day of the German trip, which is gonna be really sad. I'll have to say goodbye before everyone else does. And then also, I'm not gonna see my parents for over a month, which has never happened before, so that'll be a big life milestone, as well as becoming trilingual, kind of.
I'm really excited, but I'm also really scared. So, okay, woo, free trip to Ireland, but also, I have to actually be serious about my Irish studies. I can't just go around saying Nílach beagán Gaeilge agam. That's not gonna get me anywhere. I'm not gonna make friends. Except for maybe, if, I think there might be other recipients of the scholarship, so, but I don't want to be that kid who, just hangs out with the other Americans. I want to make Irish friends in Donegal. I want to actually speak the language and have fun and enjoy myself. So yeah, I guess I'm excited, but I'm very scared.
on the blue river, when you go, I see you go. I was wearing corduroy breeches, digging ditches, pulling switches, dodging pitches. I was working on the railway.
No, oh, I'm Jamie. We just made these St. Bridget crosses. Hi, I'm Kira. I just made this St. Bridget.
Hi, I went on the trip last year and I'm so super jealous that you guys get to go this year, but have fun. Woo!
What's your name?
Jillian.
Thank you.
I am so super jealous. I really wish I could go.
Yeah. Well, we're putting in our suitcase.
Yeah, oh that's right. I am going.
Obviously, we're just gonna cram you in there.
Gale School 2019.
Hey. What else did we do today?
Gale School 2019. We made soda bread. We learned about Irish organizations.
Oh boy.
And we learned to dance. That was like, what's it called? A Cayley dance? Yeah, where we like all danced around in like groups of 4. And it was confusing, but it was fun.
Walls of Limerick?
Yeah,
That one?
Walls of Limerick.
Yeah.
That was so fun.
So now, do you want to show us some of that Irish dancing, Kira?
Okay, ready?
All right, let's see.
It was like, just like skip.
Oh, what are you talking about?
Okay, do you
You're
want to
so
show us
good at
your
it.
Irish
Oh my
dance?
Oh, Jamie's going off.
God. Whoa.
And then there was like the reverse.
Do you want to show us
reverse of that,
what you're
that was
gonna
like,
dance at the Kayleys?
This is how I'm gonna dance at the Keeleys. Everyone get up for this.
Yes!
Oh yeah.
I don't know how to do that.
And you have to do it with a cross in your hand.
Yes, the multicolor cross. Beautiful. Number 2 from from the Gale School. How's your pizza, Jamie?
It's very, very hot, but it's delicious.
How about you? Is it good pizza?
Floppy, but yummy.
You gonna miss this pizza when we're in Ireland
Yes.
or anywhere outside of New Jersey?
I'm sure you guys already know the pizza there is not that good.
Yep.
The sauce is chunky.
She's cute. Pizza and bagels. That's what I'm gonna miss.
See that? You need that one. Like
You need
butter.
that grease.
There's
peanut
no peanut butter?
There is, but like, we didn't have it at my house, so
Aw.
it was terrible.
And, like,
Tragedy.
especially because you're a vegetarian.
It's okay. They had this chocolate spread that was basically like Nutella, but no nuts, just chocolate frosting.
Yeah.
You put it on everything. So good.
That sounds hot.
It's very, as you would say, hot. It's very good. I was in the Congratulations. Woo, Tim!
You would?
Saturday.
You heard it here first, folks.
Yeah.
She's our number 1 fan.
Number 1 fan.
The only person to come to our meetup.
Yes.
And how do you feel about the subject?
The vlog or the Kahoot?
Whatever, just talk.
I'm very proud of myself. You know, usually in Kahoots I start like in the back and I work my way up to the top and I'm there. I'm on that leaderboard.
Hey, so a little update. We had this, I keep saying we. So there was the Gale School this past weekend, and it's run by the same people who do the scholarship that I got. And so I went, and I got to meet the 2 girls who are going with me to Ireland, which is so cool, and they're so sweet. I'm so excited. And I also got to meet someone who went on the trip last year and ask her a ton of questions. And yeah, so I'm getting really excited about the trip. I don't really have to learn that much Irish, but I'm going to. I'm going to try to, because I want to get as much as I can out of this trip, and I feel like if I don't go there knowing it, like the basics, I won't get what I want out of this trip, and I don't know, I'll feel like I wasted it. So yeah, so I'm gonna be there for 3 weeks, and there is a chance that I might get to go to my cousin's house, like extend my trip.
so that I can go to my cousin's house and hang out with the family for a bit, and then they would drive me to the airport, and then eventually I'd get back to the US, but we're not focusing on that part. I'm gonna be booking my flights through the travel agent that's doing the German trip with our school, just to keep it all one big multiple stop trip. And so that basically means I get to choose when I fly there and when I fly back. So I'm extending my trip, hopefully, by like 6 days so that I can go visit my family in Ireland. Trying to think if there's anything else I need to update on. I only have like 3 chapters left of the Mango course. So I figured I'll finish the Irish Mango course, finish the German Duolingo tree, and then start working well, I already started working through, but continue working through the Teach Yourself Irish book. Alright, so, update on the Ireland trip. Oh, pretty sunset. So Mom, how are you feeling right now about how things are going?
Ugh.
Yep, that sums it up. So, so we've been talking to the, well, I say we, Mom has been talking to the, school trip, like, travel agent. I'm trying to figure something out where I can do one, like book all the flights as one ticket. But that doesn't seem to be working out super well. No. So,
Unfortunately.
it's probably just gonna be that I'm kind of, like, I'm flying with the school, but I'm not flying as, like, part of the group, really. So that I can actually, you know, eventually get to Ireland and not be out $5 bajillion. So yeah, that's how it's feeling right now.
Yeah. Right now, you're going to be going, if we go ahead with this one, it's going to be Newark to Munich, Munich to Hanover, Hanover to Hanover to Frankfurt, and Frankfurt to Dublin, then Dublin back to the United States.
And a partridge in a pear tree.
And a partridge. Yep.
So yeah. It's that time of year. It's about birthdays, end of year, end of school year. And how do you feel?
Oh, you know, I'm super excited, but also it hasn't really hit me yet, and I haven't started. Oh, cake?
You're super
It's
excited
always
about cake, but it really
100.
hasn't hit you yet?
Oh, I thought you meant about the trip.
No, I did. I'm just
The cake is more exciting than the trip.
honestly, like I really just came to this thing for the cake. Not
There
for
better be this exact
It's
cake
a big
in
piece of
Ireland.
cake.
I don't think
Yeah,
they have.
seriously. Like otherwise they
They have Tesco cakes with One Direction's faces on them.
what?
Tesco has cakes with One Direction's face on them.
Wow.
The more you know.
We're gonna be in Ireland for One Direction's birthday.
One Direction's birthday.
Yeah.
If you say so. I was gonna say, is there anything you want to say to yourself, your future self, your self that is now in Ireland?
Find a boo. A booth there. Be adventurous, have the time of your life.
Jamie, do you have anything to say to your future self?
Enjoy the trip.
Okay, very nice.
Are you getting